Let's take a look at how to create, name, and organize Google Docs. There are several ways you can create a Google Doc. One way is to go to your Google Drive, click the New button, and choose Google Docs from the list. When I do that, it will go ahead and create a new Google Doc for me. A second way is to go to docs.google.com. In here, it will show you all of your documents, as well as some templates you can use, and I can create a new blank document. The third way, which is a brand new way just released by Google, is if I go to my address bar at the top of my browser and type in doc.new. If I type in doc or docs with an S, .new, and press enter, it will go ahead and make a new blank document for me. Super duper simple. Don't have to do a lot of typing and searching. Makes it really, really easy. Now, the very first thing you should do once you have your new document is give it a name. You don't want your drive full of 500 untitled documents. So up here where it says untitled document, you're going to click and you're going to rename it. Just press enter when you're done, and it should now have a name. That's always the first thing you should do. Once you name it, you're going to see two options here, a star and a little folder. The star, if this is a really important document you want to be able to find quickly, you can click that star so that when you go back to your Google Drive and click on starred, it will show up in that list. For this one, I don't really need a star for it, so I'm going to click to take the star off. The other one is super useful, and that's this little folder. When I create a Google Doc, most of the time it just ends up in my regular Google Drive. But if I've organized my Google Drive and made folders, I can click on this folder here, and it'll say, where do you want to put it? It'll bring up a list of all of the folders available to me. So I can go in and say, oh, I want to put this in my SLAMs folder. So I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to click Move. And that will go ahead and put it into that SLAMs folder for me. Now it's organized. I can use it whenever I want, and it makes it a lot easier for me to find.